Welcome to Johannesburg Surgical Hospital construction site. My name's Andrew Langman. I'm the contracts manager here, and I'll be showing you guys around this monster today. This is the radiology section of the hospital on the first floor. It's where our biggest pieces of equipment are and sit. These were flown in from Germany about 3 weeks ago. We lifted them in. We had to leave the side of the building open and get a big 100-ton crane to lift them in. 6 and 7 tons of equipment coming through. So it was the most logistical nightmare for us on the project, but they're in safely, connected up and ready to roll. We'll be finishing up the rest of the radiology at the end of April, and that's the first section of the hospital that's going to be equipped and good to go for the rollout. This is a 150-bed hospital, which means that we can take 150 patients. This is a typical ward, a 3-bed ward, where after surgeries people will come down and recover. We're in the final phases of finishes here, paint, flooring, all the sanitary ware and the bathroom fittings, and finishing up also to receive the beds and all the equipment at the end of April. So it's also the first section that we're going to be fitting out. Okay, so this is the main courtyard of the building, open air, some nice natural trees to bring in the light and environment in the courtyard. It showcases the 4 stories of the hospital that we've got, and then we've got 3 stories of basement parking below us, and then the big plant room on the rooftop, which is what makes up the 8 stories of the building. To build this building, we've used about 13,000 cubes of concrete, 1,300 tons of rebar, probably in the excess of 2 million bricks. And at the moment we've got between 450 and 500 staff members on the project trying to close it out. So a big compliment of guys. Big scaffold all the way up and around the building for access, finishing up the facades and all the painting. Soon we'll start seeing the signage coming up, and it will really start looking like something. This is a massive and awesome project to be part of, changing the skyline of Johannesburg. It's really going to be a flagship project for us. Excited to be a part of it. One of the biggest buildings that I personally and Gothic have built in Johannesburg, and we can't wait for it to open and be on our CV. Very, very proud to be putting this facility together. An awesome team, a great client and bunch of doctors who've come together, and we really are thrilled to be part of it.